Is your mouse movement not matching your reflexes? Does your aim feel like it is dragging through mud, even though your frame rate is smooth and high? You are not imagining things. What you are experiencing is input delay. In this video, I will walk you through 17 powerful system-level tweaks that dramatically reduce input lag and make your mouse feel crisp, responsive, and fast, just the way competitive first-person shooters demand. Whether you play Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, Apex Legends, Call of Duty Warzone, or any other competitive title, this guide will help you fix mouse delay, reduce system latency, and give you the locked-in feeling that top players chase. We will not use third-party software or risky hacks. Everything here is clean, native to Windows, and focused entirely on performance and precision. Let us get started. Step 1. Back up your registry before making changes. Before we touch anything deep in your system, create a full backup of your Windows registry. Press the Windows key and the letter R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and press Enter. Once inside the registry editor, click on the File menu and choose Export. Save the file as registry backup and make sure to select all under export range. This step protects your system in case you want to revert any changes. Step 2. Clean old monitor profiles from the Windows registry. Windows often stores leftover monitor profiles from previous setups, remote sessions, or resolution changes. To remove these inconsistencies, navigate to this path in the registry editor. HAY_local_machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Graphics Drivers, Configuration. Open each folder one by one. Inside each, go into both subfolders named 00 and 0000. Look for the registry values named Prime Surface Size CX and Prime Surface Size CY. Make sure they match your current resolution. If you use a standard full high-definition monitor, set CX to 1920 and CY to 1080. If the values do not exist, right-click on empty space and choose New, then create a DWORD value. Name it exactly as Prime Surface Size CX or Prime Surface Size CY and enter your correct screen width and height. Step 3. Set the correct stride value. Stride is how Windows aligns memory for your display's resolution. The formula is simple. Stride equals screen width multiplied by 4. For full high definition, that is 1920 times 4, which equals 7680. Create a new DWORD called stride in the same folders and set its value accordingly. If your screen is 2560 by 1440, your stride would be 10240. Apply this in all monitor configuration folders. Step 4. Delete duplicate or ghost monitors. To remove ghost monitors that may confuse Windows, press the Windows key and the letter X, then choose Device Manager. Expand the Monitors section. Right-click on any monitor that is not currently active or appears twice. Choose Uninstall Device. Also uninstall your active monitor. Windows will reinstall it after rebooting, so do not worry. Once uninstalled, reboot your system and physically turn your monitor off and back on using its power button. Step 5. Disable the Display Calibration Loader. Windows automatically loads color calibration profiles using a background task. This can subtly affect your system when switching to full screen or launching a game. To disable it, press the Windows key and the letter R, type Task Scheduler, and press Enter. Navigate to Task Scheduler Library, then Microsoft, then Windows Color System. Locate the task named Calibration Loader. Right-click on it and choose Disable. For extra safety, right-click again and go to Properties. In the Conditions tab, uncheck the options related to idle time or AC power. This ensures the task will not be triggered again during startup or idle states. Step 6. Use software rendering in Windows Terminal. Modern versions of Windows use hardware acceleration for rendering the terminal. While it looks smooth, it can introduce minor delays, especially during automated scripts. To fix this, open Windows Terminal. Click the drop-down arrow in the top bar and select Settings. Under Rendering, enable the option for Software Rendering. Repeat this for each profile, including Command Prompt and PowerShell. This disables GPU acceleration and ensures consistent responsiveness when the terminal runs in the background. Step 7. Disable Dynamic Ticks. Dynamic ticks let Windows pause system timers to save power, which can interfere with smooth timing in games. To disable it, open the command prompt as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. bcd edit space /set space disable dynamic tick space yes. Restart your computer afterward. Step 8. Enable or test High Precision Event Timer. The High Precision Event Timer, or HPT, is used for more accurate timing. It can reduce or increase latency depending on your hardware. To test it, open the command prompt as administrator. Type the command vcd edit space/set space use platform clock space true. Restart your computer. This works best with certain Intel processors, so be sure to test gameplay after enabling it. Step 9. Disable GameDVR and background recording. Windows GameDVR can cause input delays by recording in the background. Open the Registry editor. Navigate to HKey Current User, System, Game Config Store. Set the value GameDVR enabled to 0. Also, go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, GameDVR. Create a DWORD value named Allow GameDVR and set it to 0. This completely disables Windows game recording features. Step 10. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This feature allows your graphics card to manage memory more efficiently. Go to Settings, System, Display, and then Graphics Settings. Enable the option called Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Restart your computer. Step 11. Set your power plan to maximum performance. Windows throttles performance by default. To change that, open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. Select High Performance or Ultimate Performance. To unlock Ultimate Performance, open Command Prompt as Administrator and enter the command Power CFG space dash duplicate scheme space and enter the unique identifier for Ultimate Performance. Step 12. Turn off Enhanced Pointer Precision. Go to Control Panel, then Mouse, and then Pointer Options. Uncheck the option called Enhanced Pointer Precision. This adds mouse acceleration, which you want disabled for competitive games. Step 13. Disable full-screen optimizations for games. Right-click your game's executable file. Go to Properties, then Compatibility. Check the option to disable full-screen optimizations. Then click Change High DPI Settings and enable Application Controlled Mode. Step 14. Clean up temporary and prefetch files. Press the Windows key and the letter R, then type %temp%. Delete all files inside. Repeat this for the temp folder, the prefetch folder, and the software distribution download folder located in your C drive. Step 15. Use autoruns to remove background junk. Download and run Microsoft's autoruns utility. Uncheck non-essential entries, especially overlays and RGB utilities. Look for tools like Overwolf, Discord overlay, and RGB sync software that may interfere with performance. Step 16. Disable Fast Boot. Fast Boot skips driver initialization at startup, which can cause inconsistencies. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options, and then choose what the Power button does. Click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box for Turn on Fast Startup. Save your changes. Step 17. Perform a full reboot and power cycle. Once you have applied all tweaks, shut down your PC completely. Turn off your monitor using its power button. Wait for 10 seconds. Turn the monitor back on. Then boot your PC. This final step helps Windows rebuild display configurations cleanly without old data. If your mouse now feels tighter, your aim more accurate, and your entire system more responsive, that is not just a placebo. These are precision-engineered tweaks that many professional players use behind the scenes to stay competitive. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite game and how much smoother your aim feels after these changes. And make sure to subscribe for more real performance guides that cut through the fluff and deliver results. Until next time, stay focused and play hard.